Hey there. Let's talk a little bit more about practice on location. Hi, Les Raymond here with the Mindful Movement. Thanks for joining me today for another mindful tip. Today's tip is on practice again. I'm on a kick right now of just staying curious to how to just continue to shape my practices in a way that aligns with what I care about, and recognizing that we just become our practices, just continuing to refine how I spend my time. And I'd like to share a little bit about that with you. So on a daily basis, I practice mindfulness activities, meditation being really at the cornerstone of my practice. And usually it's at my house because I spend a lot of time at my house. We got an airplane overhead. I'll have some go-to spots. If I'm inside, I have a cushion that I sit on typically. And it's very easy to get to. So probably most of my practice is on that cushion. It's very convenient location for me. It's in my bedroom. And if the weather feels suitable to me and I want to get outside, I could go out on my back porch. Or as you've seen in previous videos, we have like a wooded area in our backyard. So I like getting in there, but that comes at a price. You're risking interacting with bugs and so forth. But I will get out there. But you can get a little dirty, so I might not do that before I'm going to work, or depending upon what I'm wearing. It's not as easy to do quickly. But then if you have time, it's nice to go on location. Find a special place that means something to you. So behind me you'll see this body of water, and I actually grew up riding my bike around this body of water on this. This is actually a man-made lake, and it's about 1.9 miles around the lake. And there's a path, and I grew up on this path. I know every inch of it, and it's very close. It's near and dear to my heart, and there's something that I tap into when I come here. And I don't live too far away from this, so once in every week or few weeks, maybe I could get here for practice. And it might be jogging around the lake, or running around the lake, or walking around the lake, or just finding a spot to sit and either meditate or just take in some outdoor time. And that is an important part. Like when we have an opportunity to go on location and find a special place, there's a lot of value in working that into your routine. And being aware that you're looking for these opportunities where, your schedule opens up, or you have a day off work. Get out there and explore your practice and deepen your practice in a place that you can connect with in a different way. Maybe connect with nature in a way that is not as easy to do on a day-to-day basis. Or find a place that maybe taps into your inner child, something that's near and dear to your heart. And if you can't get away, through imagination and visualization, we can go on location in a different way sometimes. Sometimes if I'm listening to a guided meditation and I'm prompted to, imagine myself somewhere nice, somewhere that feels good to me, I always think of the island that Tom Hanks is in the movie Castaway. I'm not exactly sure it was filmed. I want to say Fiji. I could be wrong. If you know the truth on that, then comment below and let me know. I think it's Fiji. And I imagine like two trees on that island that just looks, picture perfect, with a hammock, and I'm laying on the hammock. And through visualization, through imagination, I could be there. So you could be on your lunch break at work and leave the office, walk out to your car, maybe put some headphones in your ear, close your eyes, and you could be there. You could be on location. And there's value to that. There's something to be said by putting yourself in a place, in an environment, whether it's in reality or in your mind, that, you know, adds something to your experience. That you're connecting with something greater than you, something outside of yourself. And, you know, finding joy in that practice. So this is one of my special places. So I'm sharing it with you today. It's a lake that I grew up on. It's about a 10 or 15 minute drive from where I live. So once in a while, I'll take the extra step if my schedule permits, and I'll show up here, you know, and just do it. Just show up. Decide to take the extra step if your schedule allows, and I'll challenge you to do that today. And if there's a special place in your practice that's not your go-to everyday practice, that really resonates with you and that you feel really helps you kind of broaden your experience and deepen your practice, share that with the community, and maybe that'll give some others some ideas of opportunities that they have that they could incorporate into their routine and their lifestyle. I hope you enjoy this video today, and I hope you have a great day.